People buy feelings, not products. People often buy with feelings rather than just for the products themselves due to the intricate interplay of psychology, emotion, and decision-making processes. This phenomenon is deeply rooted in human nature and can be attributed to various factors. Emotional connection. Many purchases are driven by the desire to fulfill emotional needs rather than just practical ones. People seek products or services that resonate with their values, aspirations, and identity. For instance, someone might buy a luxury watch not just for its functionality but also because it symbolizes success, status, and achievement. Desire for validation. People often seek validation and approval from others through their purchases. They may buy trendy clothes, gadgets, or accessories to feel accepted or admired by their peers. The act of buying itself can provide a sense of gratification and belonging. Emotional appeal and marketing. Marketers leverage emotions to create compelling narratives around their products or brands. Advertisements often evoke feelings of happiness, nostalgia, fear, or desire, tapping into consumers' subconscious desires and influencing their purchasing decisions. Emotional advertising can establish strong brand associations and foster loyalty among consumers. Fulfillment of psychological needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs suggests that humans have various levels of needs, including physiological, safety, belongingness, esteem, and self-actualization. Products are often marketed as means to fulfill these needs. For example, a luxury car may appeal to someone's need for esteem and self-expression, while comfort food may provide a sense of emotional comfort and security. Social influence and peer pressure. People are influenced by social norms, peer pressure, and societal expectations when making purchasing decisions. They may buy certain products to conform to social standards or to keep up with the perceived lifestyle of their social circle. Additionally, the fear of missing out, FOMO, can drive impulsive buying behavior. Emotional states and impulse buying. Emotions play a significant role in decision-making, often leading to impulsive purchases. For instance, people may indulge in retail therapy to alleviate stress, boredom, or sadness. Emotional arousal can impair judgment and lead individuals to make irrational or spontaneous buying decisions. Personalization and customization. Brands that offer personalized experiences or allow customers to customize products tend to evoke strong emotional responses. When individuals feel that a product has been tailored to meet their unique preferences and needs, they are more likely to develop an emotional attachment to it. In essence, the decision to buy with feelings rather than solely focusing on products is deeply ingrained in human psychology and reflects the complex interplay of emotions, social influences, and personal motivations. Understanding these underlying factors is crucial for businesses seeking to connect with consumers on a deeper level and build lasting relationships. Get your no-brainer offer from htjmarketing.com.